Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Pink Rabbit Academy. Say hi. Today's exercise is counting all the farm animals. How many farm animals do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 farm animals. Now let's take all the animals out. Mix them up. And try to place them back together. The first one is the pig. Does the pig go here? No, doesn't fit. Will it fit here? Yes, it fits there. The next one is the cow. Moo. Does the cow fit here? No. What about here? Yeah, the cow fits there. Ooh, we have Farmer Bob and Anna. Will she fit here? No. Oh, it fits here. Perfect. Now we have the little baby sheep. Bah. Oh, and it fits here right away. What a good job. Oh, what a beautiful horsey. It looks like it's going to fit in this one because it's small. Nice. Now we have the little red barn left. Only one more spot open. Let's try here. Wow. Looks beautiful. Thank you everybody for joining in at counting the animals at Bob's farmhouse. Let's say bye to the pink rabbit. Bye. Hope to see you soon. If you like this channel, please subscribe, and any comments, we'd love to answer them. And have fun, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.